Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the "This effect requires GPU acceleration" warning in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you're editing a video in Premiere Pro and you see this warning while adding an effect to a clip, don't worry. This warning usually appears when you insert a video clip directly without creating and organizing the sequence properly. Here's how to fix it. First, go to the menu at the top and click on File. Then, move your cursor to Project Settings and select General. In the General settings, look for the Renderer option. Change this setting to Mercury Playback Engine GPU Acceleration, OpenCL. Once you've done that, click OK. Now, the warning "This effect requires GPU acceleration" should be gone, and you can continue editing your video without any issues. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.